Linda.
Why, Raquel? Hey, you're young. I'll bet you'd be just the right person to help me learn how to put my simply giving onto my cell phone so that if I don't have my checkbook, a blank in my checkbook, that all's not completely lost.
Yeah. So, are you just looking to download an app or something to give money online?
Uh-huh.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Yeah, and I don't have a clue how to do that, but, you know, I'm just a little bit your senior, so it's going to be harder for me, so go slow.
Okay, well, it just so happens that I woke up this morning and put the instructions to download the Give Plus app on my in my pocket. So.
How about that? Awesome.
Alrighty.
Okay, walk me through this.
Alright, so step one, you're going to want to open up your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you have an Apple or an Android?
Android.
Android? Okay, so if you have an Android phone, you want to get into your phone and you want to go to the Google Play Store.
Oh, yeah, I've done that before.
Okay, so once you go onto the App Store, then you can look in the search bar.
Okay.
And you type in Give Plus.
Okay.
And it should show up with a little icon. And once you click on that icon, then you just download the app and then you just install it into your phone.
Okay.
So that's step
I've done
one.
that before, sure.
Yeah, pretty easy. Pretty easy, not too hard.
Nope.
Okay, so once you've opened the app and get it downloaded, it does take a second. While we're waiting for that to get downloaded, if you have an Apple phone, what you want to do is you want to go into the Apple App Store. You'll want to put into the search icon the Give Plus app. Same thing will occur. The app icon will show up and you'll be able to click on the link to that and just download and install it into your phone. And that will be step one.
Okay, well, it's installed. That went pretty fast.
Yeah.
Okay,
you are going to go into the app and then you are going to say you want to create an account. It's going to ask for your first name, your last name, and your address.
Okay.
And then you're going to enter your email. And then you're going to enter a password. You're going to confirm a password. And then...
So I choose the password?
You can choose the password.
Okay, good.
And then you'll hit the submit button.
Okay.
And then you'll have an account with the app. So you'll be all set up for that.
Okay.
Then it will ask for a zip code or a church name, something like that, so that they can find what church that you belong to. It's a lot easier if you just use your zip code. Narrows it down a lot.
Okay.
Because
there are a few St. John's.
There are, and there's only one St. John's in Beatrice, so it works out perfectly.
Good deal.
So the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you have your credit card or checkbook, something like that handy.
Well, I got my checkbook. I just don't have any blanks.
Perfect, that's okay. Next thing you're going to have to do is set up a payment method, some way for you to be able to get money from your bank account to the church. Okay, so you're going to have 3 bars at the top left corner of your screen. There are 3 white bars. And you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on the little link that says payment information or payment methods.
There it is. Payment methods. Good.
Perfect. Okay. There's going to be an orange plus sign at the bottom right corner.
There it is.
Yep. Okay. And you are going to click on that button.
Okay.
And then you will be able to enter your credit card or checking account information.
Okay.
If you choose to use a check, because like you said, you don't have any blank checks, then you can put in your routing number, and the routing number will be the first 9 digits on the bottom left of your check.
Okay.
And then the next set of numbers will be your account number.
Okay.
Yep, so you'll be able to get all of that set up.
Okay.
Then next thing to do is setting up an offering or a donation. This is your way to be able to give to the church. So once you've saved your banking information, you're going to select the 3 bars on the top left corner again. And you're going to click the little thing that says Give Now.
Hey, it's got my name on there now.
It does.
Right.
All right, right there. It says give now.
Okay.
All right, and then this is another instance where you're going to click the orange button with the plus sign at the bottom. So you're going to want to click on your St. John's account, and you're going to want to click any sort of place that you want to donate money to or give offering to.
Oh, like general fund or building maintenance or ESL World Hunger or confirmation retreat of 2020.
Yeah, so you can click on any of those and you can donate money to any of them.
All right.
So if we were just to give an offering, we would click on General Fund.
Okay.
Yep. And so what you're going to see is that it's asking you for the frequency. How often are you going to be giving this? Or if it's just a one-time thing.
Okay, so it's just when I forget my checkbook. Well,
yeah.
Maybe I'll forget my checkbook a lot.
Yeah, maybe.
It sounds like this is going to be easier than writing out a check each time.
Yeah. So you're just going to select the frequency.
Okay.
And then you can hit one time, weekly, monthly, however frequently you want to donate.
Okay.
And then it's going to have a button called Start On. You're going to want to click that. And
that gives me the date.
Oh, yep, and you can click on any date that you want to start on.
All right.
So you click that date and then you hit OK. And then once you've done that, it's going to ask you what amount you want to donate. And you can either do 25, 50, or 100, or you can put in another amount.
Whatever amount
whatever you want.
Okay.
And then once you do that, you click the gray Add button at the bottom of the screen. And then once you've done that, you have officially donated to whatever organization or group or church you wanted to donate to. And then to confirm that you have completed your donation, then you will be able to click confirm donation, and you'll be able to see that you just donated whatever amount you just donated.
Will that be up in the three spots again?
Yep, so you can click on that and you can put giving history. You can click that button and it will allow you to see all the donations that you have made to all the places that you donated them to.
There we go.
Yep.
Okay, looks like it went through.
Everything worked out easily.
Yeah. Now this is a lot of steps. Will I have a way to remember all this?
Oh, it'll all be posted online as, with all the steps of it. Yeah, it'll be so much easier. That way, if this is too fast, you can read step by step.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thanks. I just knew I could count on you.
You're welcome, Linda.
Got that lovely smiley face just like a little angel. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
All right, I'm set.